Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by isolating your environment. Create and activate a virtualenv so dependencies stay predictable. Once active, install Django with pip and verify the version. Then run Django admin start project to scaffold the project. This gives you manage Py and settings quickly. Make sure to use the Python version you need because Django ties into that interpreter. After scaffolding, initialize a git commit so you can roll back. This first commit captures the clean baseline. Next, add functionality by creating an app with startup and registering it in installed apps. This wires models and views into Django's lifecycle. Once registered, configure settings, set databases for SQLite or Postgres, define allowed hosts, and point static URL and template directories so assets resolve. Run manage Py migrate to apply built-in migrations, then create a superuser so you can log into the admin. Throughout, use clear, consistent names to avoid import and routing confusion. Finally, run the development server and exercise your endpoints. Visit the admin, test forms, and hit APIs. Once validated, freeze dependencies, run collect static for production assets, and set up Unicorn behind Nginx or use a platform service. Make sure environment variables supply secret KEY and database URLs so production differs from development. If something breaks, check debug and allowed hosts first, then database connectivity. These 3 checks resolve most deployment surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.